Hey guys, so I just want to do a very quick introduction because it is raining out there, so I don't want to bring my mic out. I just woke up not too long ago. It's around 10:30. It was raining heavily. The rain is starting to subside, but it is still pouring out there. So I'm heading out to Chinatown. So I'm gonna take a grab there to maximize my time in the rain. So yeah, wish me luck. The shoot's been going alright. I've been one-handling everything from my umbrella to my camera, and it's quite difficult. Now I'm just heading to the end of the road where the traffic flows one way. So that's one less thing to worry about. And then I'll just shoot down this spot which is showing the People's Park complex. You know what I should do? I should head over to the other side. Right, we're here. So now we wait for the road to clear up and someone to walk down with an umbrella. Ooh, the light is great. Got the reflections of the floor. Very nice. I think I'll head back to the temple area. See right up in front there are a lot of people crossing the road at that area. So I might wait here and see if I can get a shot of that. Or we can move forward and shoot backwards towards the crossing which I just crossed. Alright, so I don't think I've told you guys yet, but Kev will be joining me for this shoot. Both of us grabbed over and he has finally arrived. Oh shit, I'm stumbling with my umbrella, but yeah. I'm texting him. He said he has arrived and I'm just sending him my location and then I'll continue shooting. Alright, back to shooting. Can we get some lone people? I'm not sure if it's in frame, but I'm holding my umbrella and shooting it. So difficult. So when shooting in the rain, you can either carry an umbrella or wear a raincoat. But because I'm using this zoom lens, I don't want to get it wet, so I'm using an umbrella. Right, got that. Now we are waiting for the shot at the front. Yeah, so the great thing about shooting in the rain is people tend to not bring the umbrella and they run across empty spaces like the road. So that's when you can get really nice moments. Shooting in the rain is hard, but the results that you get is amazing. You get the reflections, you get the mood, all the people carrying the umbrella, the characters, it's just beautiful. I think I got my shot now. I'm just gonna get fine cab. So this is the front of the temple. I'll just sit on the steps and wait for him. Here. You get some reflection on the floor. Ooh, clean. So the rain is getting very heavy. Kev got his umbrella. Premium umbrella, yeah, this one. And then yeah, I'm gonna go out to shoot. Wow, it is heavy. Very, very, very heavy. Okay, I see someone up front. I think he's gonna run when the traffic disappears. So lock my focus into that area and we can wait for him to pass. Okay, there we go. Alright. We have all these food delivery riders. Kudos to them for doing all this in the rain, man. Not easy. I think my whole bag is wet. This is perfect. The vibe. So this guy is called Tong Tong. I've met him before, like 2 years. That's before I enlisted into the army. And I even took a photo of him before. Yeah, he meets new people every day lah, so pretty sure he doesn't remember me. He's a very nice guy. He paints like a lot of all these places like Chinatown, Singapore River and stuff. And I've met him a number of times at Chinatown. So yeah, trying to document a little of his work. Very nice. So, hey, What up? Why are you here?
What the?
Alright, so that was Jinwen or Jaywen. I'll drop his handle somewhere on the screen right now. I've known him for quite a number of years, I think at least 5 years already. Yeah, that's like 1/4 of my life. But yeah, back to business, back to finding Kev. No clue where is he. I suppose he should be along this street somewhere. Alright, I see his umbrella. Sir, stop, sir.
Umbrella stop.
Got it. Yeah, again we have the iconic blue, green, orange scaffolding which we saw in the previous POV video. I'm gonna get some photos there because it looks like Hong Kong somewhat. Okay, so Kev spotted some very low-lying clouds at the CBD area. We're now heading up to... Hey look, it's Jinwen again. My friend. Hey, don't me eh?
Where else do you think?
So we are going up to the temple there to shoot.
I tag along
Yeah, sure. Okay, so we are at this HDB block where you can see the Buddha Tooth Relic Temple and a lot of low-lying clouds. I'm gonna switch out to my 17-28 f2.8 to capture the entire architecture. And the only downside to this spot right now is they're building an MRT station, so the entire right side of the area, as you can see, is under construction, very messy and ugly. But yeah, gonna switch out my lens. Okay, so I just switched out to my 17-28 and I'm gonna turn on my level display.
Go there.
So now we're heading to the last spot before we go for lunch. This is the link bridge between People's Park Complex and the main area of Chinatown. There's this place which I really like to go to, which is over there. So we're gonna try to get some shots there. The rain is starting to subside, so it also only makes sense for us to end the shoot soon. This place is very nice at night. It's slightly underwhelming in the daytime, but we'll still try. Let's shoot through here, see if we can get anything. And get some foreground. So we're done with this shoot. There's an uncle sleeping there. That was quite a nice shot. And we're heading for lunch now. Okay, just wanted to sneak in that last shot before we head for lunch. So I'm finally home. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and the photos. No clue how they are until I edit them. But today was a really interesting experience. Trying to hold the umbrella with one hand and trying to change all the settings. Trying to shoot with a 70-180, which is pretty heavy with just one hand. But yeah, very interesting experience. Definitely doing it again. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.